Okay. Now tell me which shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. Now collect all red triangles. Only red. Red. This one. Red. This is red.
Red.
Red. Uh, Pick one more. This one is also red. Which color is this?
Red.
Red. And which shape is this? Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. Keep it side. Okay. Now collect yellow triangle. Which one is yellow? Okay. These are yellow. How many yellow triangles you have?
Triangle.
How many? One,
1,
two,
2,
three.
3.
How many yellow triangles you have? One,
1,
two,
2,
three.
3.
Okay, which color is this? Which color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what about this color?
Ah.
Which color is this? Which color is this? Green.
Green.
And what about this color?
Blue.
Blue. This is blue. This is green.
Green.
Green. And this is, which color is this?
Red.
Red. Green.
Green.
Okay, green. Okay. Blue. Pick the blue one. Blue.
Blue.
Pick the blue one. This one. Keep it there. Keep it there. And where's the yellow color? Where's the yellow? Pick one yellow color. Keep aside. Pick one yellow color.
Yellow.
Yellow. This one is yellow. Red, green, yellow, blue. Say red, red, green,
Green.
yellow,
Yellow.
blue. Blue. Okay, now tell me which one is the bigger and big and which one is the small. Now tell me which one is big. Tell me. This one is big. Very good. And okay, this one is small. Say big,
Back.
small, big,
Back.
small.
Full.
Very good.